Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel Ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, April 9, 2025. Janine Gutierrez, may makulat na caption sa selfie nila ni Melay Cantiveros. Janine Gutierrez has taken to social media to share a photo of herself with Melay Cantiveros. The snap was taken when they bumped into each other at the ABS-CBN Ball 2025, which took place on Friday, April 4 at the Soler Resort North in Quezon City. In the photo, the Toca Pamilya stars could be seen posing for a lovely selfie. Janine also wrote a short yet hilarious on-screen caption, where she mentioned her boyfriend, Jericho Rosales. Ang mga nakamiss kay at Jericho Rosales official, the gorgeous actress penned. Moments later, the Magandang Buhay host reposted Janine's IG story along with her reaction. Yes, said Melay, who has a crush on Jericho. Previously, Melay Cantiveros was able to spread good vibes on social media due to her post on her birthday, April 6. She shared a carousel of photos of herself captured during her Calendar Girl-themed birthday shoot with photographer Miguel Alam Adjen. Along with the photos, the Magandang Buhay host penned a funny caption where she tagged Catherine Bernardo and Ivana Alawi. Akala nyo at Bernardo Cat and at Ivana Alawi kayo lang magaling sa ganito na posing. Tama ang akala nyo, kayo lang talaga kasi pangit ng kalabasan ko dito, ha. Part of her caption reads. Her humorous birthday post immediately garnered tons of comments on the photo sharing app. Her long-term crush, Jericho, is among those who left a remark on the funny photos. Happy birthday Melay! Ang init ng summer, he wrote. Melay later replied to Echo, where she also mentioned the latter's girlfriend, Janine. Was sorry na Jericho and at Janine Gutierrez, the comedian and celebrity mom responded.
Guys, isa lang masasabi ko, dahil ngayon is April 9, Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! May the Lord God bless you! May the Lord God bless you! Hey! May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you! Ba't ba naiiyak ka? Oh, happy birthday, Staya! 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Staya!
At yan ang atin latest showbiz chika update for today, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang atin Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios!